Hey y'all, Jam Real Guys Reviews. I'm out at the ranch today with the Sparrow 22 suppressor and the Octane 9 HD suppressor. I've done an overview and review of both of these suppressors previously and will not repeat that in this video, but since the little GoPro audio in those videos did not do justice to the noise suppression comparison with either, I'm going to revisit the issue with both the Sparrow and the Octane 9 with better audio. The Sparrow can be used to suppress 22 LR, 22 Magnum, and 17 HMR. I will use it today to suppress the Smith & Wesson M&P 22. It's rated to suppress a 22 LR over 40 decibels with the best of ear protection suppressing about 30 to 40 decibels. I'm going to use the Octane 9 HD to suppress both the 22 LR and the 9mm. It's rated to suppress the 9mm around 30 decibels or so, and as you will see, it comes about as close as any suppressor on the market to almost silencing the 22 LR M&P. Smith & Wesson M&P 22 unsuppressed. The silencer company's Sparrow 22, this will suppress 22 LRs, Magnums, as well as 17 HMRs, and it's on the M&P 22. This little suppressor is 6.5 ounces, 5 inches long, and suppresses 40 to 45 decibels or so. So without ear wear, we'll see our comparison. Okay, the Glock 23 with a 9mm conversion barrel, obviously without suppressor. The Octane 9 HD suppressor. This suppresses 9mm rounds about 30 decibels, which is just about like ear protection. It's on the Glock 23 with a 9mm conversion. So let's see what we've got. I have no ear protection on, and it's going to be just about the same as wearing ear protection. Smith & Wesson M&P 22 unsuppressed. The Octane 9 HD 9mm suppressor on the M&P 22. So let's see how this little suppressor does with M&P 22. 7-inch, 11 ounce. See what we've got. Almost Hollywood suppressed. For an overview of the suppressors, check out our RGR videos, Suppressor Silencer Overview, and Suppressor Octane 9 HD Review. Thanks for viewing our videos. We appreciate it. Hope to see you around at Real Guys Reviews.